welcome back to my channel. It is so good to have you and thank you for joining me once again. Today I have another helpful and informative video as well, so I would love you to try this out for your hair because I've been using this for some time and it's really worked amazingly for my hair. There are different things that you could actually use to maintain a healthier hair growth. That is why I always and consistently doing a lot of research when it comes to natural hair care. Okay, so today in this video you are going to learn how to use few ingredients that you have available to you to make a hair mask that will help boost a healthier and a shinier hair, and it also improve your hair growth at the same time. Okay, I know you are eager to see this, but if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe and click the button, the bell that's just right beside it. That way you will always be notified anytime a new content like this drops in this channel. Okay, and if you have further questions, please do not forget to drop them in the comment section down below. That will have to do with issues that I did not cover while recording this video. And if you have private questions that has to do with your natural hair care that you feel that you can share with me, please kindly come to my Instagram and send me a DM and I'm gonna respond to it right away. Okay, so that being said, let's just go over, let's see how we could actually use the simple ingredients and prepare this hair mask that I'm actually so excited about. Okay, so let's go. What we'll be needing is aloe vera. Aloe vera is actually very good for the hair because it contains a good amount of moisture that help nourishes and strengthen the hair. Onion is actually very good when it comes to fighting hair falls. It helps promote premature, it helps reduce premature graying of the hair and soften the hair because of the sulfur content in onion. I also have here my honey. Honey is actually very good when it comes to boosting of hair care, and because it helps retain and attract moisture to the hair. This is actually very good for my hair because I actually have this very high porosity hair which tends to dry out quickly. So if you have a high porosity hair, please consider adding honey to your hair care regimen because it will help retain moisture and strengthen your hair follicles. And the thickness of the honey helps closing up the shaft of our hair, which is actually usually open. I have here my ginger hair growth. I don't know whether most of you can remember this. I have a video up there, but I'm gonna link it to make this hair growth with ginger and onion. So I'm going to be adding this to it as well. This also help promote hair growth. How it does is that because it will help fight dandruff and also dryness of the skin. Nourish my hair, I won't forget to add my coconut milk. Coconut is actually very good for the hair. It helps strengthen the hair and also promotes the hair growth. Spicing things up with the tea tree oil. Next thing I'm gonna do is to have a bowl like this, which I'm going to be chopping everything into. So I'm gonna cut my onion into tiny pieces. Piece of the aloe vera and extract the gel from it. If you don't have this aloe vera plant, you could actually use the aloe vera gel as well. So I'm gonna put this in my blender cup. And I'm going to add honey to it. 1 tablespoon of honey. 31 ml of the coconut oil, of the coconut milk. Then I'm going to add few drops of the tea tree oil. That should be about a teaspoon of it. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of my ginger. I'm going to go ahead and blend everything. So this is what I have. So I'm going to sieve it. This is what I have. And this is what I have left. So after this is what I'll use, apply it on my scalp. Then yeah, so this is my hair mask, and I have to tell you, thank you so much for watching this video up to this particular point. So I'm just going to show you how I apply this on my hair. I usually do this on the day I know that I'm going to be washing my hair. Okay, so I actually first of all wet my hair. You could see my hair is actually wet, and I'm going to take some of this and apply this to my scalp and massage it in. So after massaging it into my hair, you can see I actually concentrated on my scalp because I really wanted to go right into the root of my scalp. So there are actually 2 ways that you can do this. You could actually tie a waterproof or a shower cap and leave it in your hair for like 30 to 1 hour. Then you wash it off with a very good shampoo. Me, I'm going to be using my black soap shampoo. I actually made a video on how you could use the black soap shampoo to wash your hair. I'm going to be leaving the link in the description box down below, and I'm going to be leaving it up here in the card, so kindly check that out. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hair until another time when I will come your way with another interesting and informative content. My name remains Ida Francis. Bye. I love you.